Guys, I might have messed up. I don't know what to do. Alright, so I watched a video, and I'll have you know, didn't show anything. So I'm still in the dark. So this is where I'm at here. Yep. These are really corroded underneath. I really hope this is my issue, honestly, because the ECM is probably, I think the cheapest one I could find is like $850, $900. And yeah, I just don't want to spend that kind of money if it's just the electrical, something else electrical. It'd be a shame to spend $800 for no reason. I don't have that kind of money, so I'm gonna start with cleaning this up. And I kind of come to the conclusion that I'm gonna have to pull all these fuses out. Kind of scary, but I have a diagram and I've taken like 18 pictures now, right? Can't fuck it up to get 18 pictures. Now I got you on this side. Still can't, like, ooh, well, I mean, it's better as long as it didn't break something. See them little bolts under there? I think they're like a 7mm or something. I have to pull them out. And I imagine it's gonna drop that whole plug down. But I think I'm gonna have to take all of these out. Obviously, I just, there's no way that them are gonna come out with it. And either way, I'm gonna have to take them out to clean it. So, scary, but I think that's what's gonna have to happen. If you were planning to do this yourself for, you know, entertainment purposes, because I don't do instructional stuff, but basically what I got here is you've got to remove that lid, this little cover. This is what holds the fuses tight, keeps water out of there, but not really well. And then there's hold on, where is it? There's this, sits about right here. 4 13mm bolts. You just pull that off, and then you got, where is it? This. Yeah, I'm just throwing things. You got this motherfucker, and it sits in like this, right? And there's these tabs in the front, and all you gotta do is reach down and pull them tabs out. Just pull it up, and then there, I had a little problem because there's a that little clip right here that was catching too, so I was just pulling them tabs up till they're out, and then pulled the back out, pop that right out of there. Then you gotta take this wire, and there's another wire, oh, right here. Just pull them off of here. I think it was 2 13s. This was a 7 and a 10. I don't remember which one. I think this was the 10. This is 13. You pull them off, and then you get to where I'm at right now. Oh, actually, I lie. There is, you gotta pull this back, and then there's these tabs right here. See these tabs? And this little pin? You just pull both of these. Oh. Right here, pull both of these back, pull it backwards, and then you pull this back a little bit, and it pops right up to where you're at, where I'm at right now. But I'm about to get into the scary stuff, so I'm gonna change the battery on this thing and get at it. I don't know how I should do this. Like, I usually only take 2 tops out at a time. Just pull them out and put them in the maybe I should get a different tray or a box, maybe a box. So I got this thing I emptied, a little fuse puller. I don't know how much good it's gonna do me, but we'll try it. suppose we'll start with the relays. Get these big bitches out of the way. Oh, scary. Alright, I need to put you guys somewhere. Yeah! Oh, that one looks clean. That one's not bad at all. Alright. Let's keep going. How about you? What is it with these green ones and just breaking? Right off rip. Ooh, this one's blown. This is a blown fuse. Look at... What does this one do? Stud 1. Stud number 1. What's 1 do? Stud. Where's the stud? I'm gonna have to look it up because it doesn't say. That is not good though. I don't know. Here, actually, I didn't do it. Check that out. That's a blown fuse if I ever done seen one, isn't it? All right. Well, we're gonna leave the cap off of this one and put it in a different spot. After a couple drinks and some research, stud 1 is apparently the power to the trailer connector or something. But either way, it doesn't bother me any. Still gonna replace it, but it's not the issue I'm having with my truck. Let's get the rest of these out. Holy crap. Look at that one. What is that one? That one's about a little bit better. Let's see. What do we got here? That would be the fog lamps, which I do use. They do work, so that one's still working too. Okay. Well, shall we figure out how to get the... Oh, I pinned it right back in there, didn't I? I put it right back in. Okay. See how easy that was? That's how you take it out. Joop, joop. Yeah. Get... Alright, hold on. So, I'm gonna pull... this off. Decent motherfucker. How do you... There's gotta be a way. Screwdriver. There you are. There's a little harness here. It's pinned or clipped to the this little box deal here. It's kind of holding me up. And so I'm going to try to release it. Probably never get to clip back into this factory little clip here. I'll have to use zip ties later. I think I just got it. Yep. Oh, she's free now. We got anything else holding us back? Looks like it. Oh, we're back in. Back in right there. Alright, now we can go like fully upwards. Here. Should get rid of this. Like dead mouse or whatever that is. I don't think it's dead mouse, but it's definitely nasty. What is that? There's just a bolt right there. Where's that go? That's good, right? I don't see its home. I doubt this has been up before. Does it go right here? No. Those look different. I just don't know. Maybe somehow it fell into here or something. We're just gonna set it in here and the tin where the magnet is, and now I'll probably forget that I did that and get really mad when I can't figure out where the f it goes. Okay, so now let's see what we got going on here. We need to take these out to clean them, and to do that, I'm not worried about these, which looks like there's a couple plugs down there. I really want these blocks. Yeah. And this one for sure. This is where our problem is. If it is this, which would be this black one here. So let's start there.
Discard! Discard! Discard!
Okay. So maybe there's some kind of clips. Yeah, we got her now. So there's some kind of clip in there. She's got to wedge it a little bit. Let's get this one down and see what it looks like. See if I'm wasting my time. Can you see that? It actually looks pretty clean. Which, I mean, is a good thing. It's not really a great thing for me, because that means okay, so this fuse box needs to be replaced. I'll have to get, oh man, wish I had known that before I just pulled that out. I can't even find these. So as you can see, I got these out, but I thought that like this was a serviceable box, like I could get to the back side of where the fuses go. You don't even have to take these out. You don't have to take the fuses out to get this fuse box out. I might still try to get it out because I want to try to take it apart. I don't want to pay It looks like at least $200 for a used one. It just didn't sound like what I want to do. $500 for like, so it looks like refurbished ones maybe. But so what I'm gonna do is just keep pulling this out. You gotta unscrew these, and then there's like clips on the sides. So you just, I took a screwdriver on the sides of here and just kind of pried it out a little bit gently. These I haven't figured out yet. I haven't tried, but kind of looks like pain in the ass. Alright, so I got the final clips out. You just push this part in with the screwdriver, that's what I did, and it pulled out at the same time, and she's out. Full access. Looks like we do have some corroded ones down here, but I don't think that's the issue. I think if there's an issue with this, it's on the inside. And I don't know if these are serviceable, but if I can get it apart, I will make another little video about it. So I got it apart. This is the fuse box. Couldn't find any videos on it, which is the only reason I'm really showing you. I ended up having to hit where the screws go into. I ended up having to hit them with a punch and a hammer, get them to fall through, and then it just fell apart after that. This is the inside. I'm gonna clean that up, put it all back together, and well, might check the ECM connections. If that's not it and the ECM connectors aren't corroded, I might just buy an ECM. If that still doesn't work, then I guess shop it is.
Hi, Ellie. Hi, pretty. Hey, quick girl.
Did you sell?
You help me work on a truck?
Bear with me. I just ran out of daylight, but I just got it all. Hold on. I just got it all back together. Just put the grounds back on. So far, no smoke or flames, so that's good. I did run into some issues. I ended up getting the fuse panel apart, or fuse box apart, by pounding out basically the screws, and oh, I don't think it's gonna work. Nope. So that wasn't my problem. I think I'm leaning towards an ECM issue. I've checked everything else. I mean, the only thing I haven't done is tried wire hunting, but I honestly just don't think I'm proficient enough to do that. I want to know if it'll still start. Anyways, while I'm doing this, I ran into a few issues with taking the fuse box apart, and that was getting it apart was easy, honestly. You take a dowel or something and pound out those pins, and it just comes apart. Cleaned it all up. Well, the problem is when I went to put it back together, I was like, oh, I'll just pound them back together. Oh, truck still starts, just same issue. So, yeah, well, when I went to pound them back together, I should have took videos, but I didn't. It actually cracked the board, like the plastic that holds everything together. It wasn't a huge deal. The way, if you've seen how it's together, it didn't affect it much structurally or electronically, but I ended up just using super glue. I ended up drilling it out a little bit to make it so that the pins went in a little bit easier. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend taking it apart. But me being a cheap ass to try and avoid some money, that's what I did. I will try to get an ECM for this, I guess, and we'll see what happens in part 2 if I can afford it, you know, sometime soon. Yeah, wait till the next video, and bye bye for now.